So I purchased the 48 volt O-cell battery, Life P04. Installed it in my 2009 EZGO golf cart. And all I did, I took the batteries out. Then I placed the board underneath. I used some tie straps, but for extra security, I went ahead and put this tie strap down just to keep it really stable. But all it was, I rigged it up with these bolts sticking out, and then used these clamps so that I could bolt the wires right to the sides right here. You can see right here as well for your negative. And that's all it was you know, turning off your switch before you start anything, and then taking all the batteries out, and then hooking these up and turned it on. This from your charger, those do have to be connected so that it will run, but you will use the other charger, which I purchased the charger for the O-cell battery. And I'll show you the charger real quick, which is this charger right here. And it has these connections here to do it. I was going to mount it inside there, but decided just to keep it out, because I don't want it to get dirty, because I live out here in the country, so didn't want it to get muddy. There you have it. Works like a champ.